Put your best face forward with Veet facial wax strips to remove those unwanted hairs. The strips are perfect for small and delicate areas like your upper lip, cheeks and chin, and allow you to get up to 4 weeks of smoothness in one easy move. Here are the steps to achieve beautifully smooth skin. First, ensure your face is completely clean and dry. Take out a double wax strip and rub it between your hands to make the strips easy to separate. Then, carefully peel the strips apart using the rounded Easy Grip tabs. With the Easy Grip tab pointing in the direction your hair grows, apply one strip to your skin. Rub several times in the direction your hair grows to target even the shortest hair. Now is the time to be brave. Stretch your skin tight and grab the tab. Pull the strip back on itself as quickly as you can. For targeting your upper lip, wax the two sides of your upper lip separately as the hair grows in different directions. Since the hair on your chin grows in different directions too, stroke it with your fingers to find out how many patches you'll need to do, and address these areas one at a time. It's done! The smooth results last up to 4 weeks to help give you more confidence and a beautiful look.